I'm Henry from RapidDirect. In this video, I'm going to introduce the CNC turning process. Let me show you now. The first step is to analyze the engineering drawing of customer and then determine the machining process according to the customer's requirements. After checking the drawings, the machine operator will set up cutting tool and the raw material. Now the operator is creating program commands on machine. Unlike CNC milling, you can manually set commands code on this CNC turning machine. Okay, the CNC turning machine is working now. Now we have finished the CNC turning process. Here on my hand see the turned parts. Then we will perform first article inspection. If it matches up with the engineering drawings, we can proceed to mass production. That's all for today's video. RapidDirect is an online platform for rapid prototyping and custom manufacturing featuring instant quoting, automatic DFM analysis, and real-time order tracking. Hope this video is helpful to you. See you in the next video. Bye.